her mood. She lit, get money too. Like damn, she in her mood. In the mirror, I'm doing my dance. Ain't packing out nobody's pants.
Hey y'all, welcome to the vlog. Period. Today we're on set. Trying to make something work. We got Lachey here, creative director. We have an assistant here today, Sumaya. We got Kyle in the back. Models downstairs getting her glasses. Inshallah, everything goes good today because we got a lot going on. I'm about to show you guys. We got a lot of set design. This would be like our first time kind of doing a lot of set design. Yeah. And then the outfit, I literally have to sit here and design right here on set. So I'm going to show you guys how I do that, and we're going to show you guys how we set up. Hopefully the vlog goes well. Hopefully I get enough footage. Let's see.
You need to find you an assistant. You need an apprentice though. You need somebody that's in photography that can help.
So we can roll it out.
Oh, so we might, yeah, we definitely need two. Yeah,
It's a glasses.
There you go. You know that's one.
You take a stuff?
Open this one. It's just open right when I cut it in. It won't.
And we're doing silver anyway, so it wouldn't take away from anything.
Yeah, that's true.
So what you think? Clean your collar?
I would say clamp.
All right, y'all. I'm about to cut up all these stockings, and let's see what I can do with this. Put the hoodie back on. Is this too small? Oh, I think you did last time. Ooh, I can keep it cut. Yeah, I know. It is? Oh. Trust the process.
Think about shit that I shouldn't know. So I tell him it's one of me. He making fun of me. His girl is a bum of me. Like that boy is a cap. Saying he home, but I know where he at. Like, but he blowing her back. Think about me, cause he know that it's fat. And they blow with it big. Pulling his phone like, yo, send me a pin. Ducking my shit cause he know what I'm on. But when he hit me, I'm not gonna respond. But I don't sleep enough without you. And I can't eat enough without you. If you don't speak, does that mean we're through? Don't like sneaky shit that you do. He doesn't see
Y'all, I think this is the finished look. Everything looks super cute. Let me get the bottom. It looks good. Finished look. Everything eats down. The shoes, the jewelry. What stylist y'all know doing all this? Period. She's giving faces, giving hair. Yo, look at the jewelry, McLean accessories. Then there's some pieces from my own closet. You already know how it go. Yeah, this eats. This eats. And we didn't even have to do too much.
Yeah, cause girls is players too. Yeah, cause girls is players too. Cause girls is players too. Just getting money all around the world, cause girls is players too. What you know about living on the top? Penthouse suites, looking down on the ops. Took her for a test drive, left them on the lot. Time is money, so I spend it on a watch. Hold on, low titty showing through the white tee. shorty, she ain't nothing like me. Yeah. About to catch another fight. Apple bottom, make 'em wanna.